Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this opportunity, I'll present our research entitled Experimental Study of the Self-Compacting Geopolymer Concrete Using Local Material. The outline of the question: first, introduction, literature review, method, result, and last, conclusion and recommendation. The first one is introduction. Concrete is a construction material that is the most used because of the availability of the raw material and the simplicity of the fabrication. Usually, Portland cement is the primary binder used in the concrete manufacture. Cement production in the world is estimated to increase from 3.27 billion metric ton in 2010 to 4.83 billion metric ton in 2030. Negative impact of the cement production is Portland cement is the one of larger emitter of the carbon dioxide in the world during its production. A ton production of cement emits about a ton of the carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, which causes greenhouse gas. So this is the innovation solution. Self-compacting geopolymer concrete is a green concrete with the combination of the self-compacting concrete and the geopolymer concrete. The advantage of the SCGC is can save cost in casting process. Geopolymer is the eco-friendly material construction due to not use Portland cement as the binder, but use pozzolanic waste material as binder. SCGC does not need any compacting effort to achieve full compaction due to its flowability. This is the fly ash as a pozzolanic material in Indonesia. In 2021, Indonesian government has issued fly ash from the hazardous and poisonous waste. So if we look at the diagram source Ekaputra and Bari 2020, so in 2021, that the fly ash utilization only 1% from the fly ash production. So this is the literature review. We using literature review by Patel and Shah 2018. They have tested using fly ash as the binder of SCGC with different curing method. The test result that has been obtained the curing method with a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius has been the most optimal compared to the temperature 60 degrees Celsius and ambient temperature at 28 days. And second, Randy and Kumar 2017, they have experimental studied SCGC using fly ash 100% and ratio natrium hydroxide to natrium silicate was 1, so that the percentage of the superplasizer in the test is only 1% of the weight binder. The test result from the mixed proportion of the fresh concrete has qualified AFNA 2002. And last, Usain et al. 2018, they have tests of the effect of the molarity from 2 till 16 on the geopolymer concrete. Based on the results show that the molarity 12 of the natrium hydroxide is the optimum. And this is the method. The first one, material selection. We using local material for our experimental. The first is fly ash, who contain the alumina and silica, and fine and coarse aggregate. We using fine aggregate was used Progo sand, and the coarse aggregate was used Clarence gravel. And this is the alkali activator. We using sodium hydroxide and sodium silicate to active alumina silica reaction, and the superplasizer to increase the workability fresh concrete of SCGC. So this is the casting and curing. Casting, we using two casting is a cylinder for the mold compressing and tensile test, and a beam for the mold for flexural test. For all the specimen, the first concrete fill all the space of the mold by its flowability with the fabricated and compaction tools. And the curing, after 24-hour casting, All the specimens in the mold were kept in 70 degrees Celsius a day. After that, all the specimens kept in ambient temperature by warped in the plastic until the test at 28 days. This is the mixed proportion. The mixed proportion of the self-compacting geopolymer concrete with fly as 100% and ratio natrium silicate and natrium hydroxide is 1:1. Superplacer only 2% of the precursor. So the result, the first fresh concrete test, we can see the picture slump flow, fill funnel, and box. We get the data. All of the tests acceptance criteria by FNAT 2002. And the hardness concrete test, we using universal testing machine for the test. And the average of the compressing was 27 MPa, split tensile was 9.3 MPa, and flexural was 1.9 MPa. So this is a form of self-compacting geopolymer concrete destruction after tested. So the last conclusion and recommendation. The self-compacting geopolymer concrete test has been carried out using 100% fly as precursor, and the ratio of the natrium silicate, natrium hydroxide is 1:1. The value is used the basis of the reference for the filter research with a more varied ratio. Based on the recommendation from the previous literature to obtain the optimal workability, chemical additions such as superplasticizer should be added to the STGC mixture. The study used a superplasticizer of 2% of the precursor has made the applicable requirement. And in this study, the test workability of STGC of fresh concrete test was carried out. The fresh concrete in the test has fulfilled the requirement of the FNAT 2002, which is include filling ability, passing ability, and segregation resistance. Based on the result of study several literature, the recommendation for the optimal curing result were selected, especially in the curing oven with a temperature 70 degrees Celsius for 24 hours, followed by the curing ambient temperature by wrapping plastic for the specimen before the testing at 28 days. And last, after the curing on the SCGC, the study also conducted strength tests in the form of compression strength, tensile strength, and flexural strength. Based on the three tests, the average compressive strength was 27.05 MPa, and the average split tensile strength was 6.32 MPa, and the average flexural strength was 1.91 MPa. All of our presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.